Welcome back to my channel, it's Sheng, and for today's video, we're going to be looking at a very portable, minimalist, and lightweight gimbal by Hohem, the iSteady X. Right here. You ready? Because I'm super excited. Let's do it. This is very light. Comes with a tripod, cable, So I'm not able to use my GoPro with the plate on it. I think this is too heavy for the small gimbal, and I'm not able to use my phone with a case. But without the case, it's perfectly fine. So you basically hold this one button right here to power on, and it's stable. And if you want, you can also use a portrait mode. You press one button and you can do selfie mode. I'm gonna post some sample clips and see what's the difference between the handheld and the gimbal, but I'll post more sample clips hopefully next week for an update how it is. Okay, and there you have it, the Hohem iSteady X. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button for more updates. See you next time. Thank you for watching.